50 kalimat bahasa Inggris di pantai beserta artinya.
The beach is so beautiful at sunset. The beach is so beautiful at sunset. I love to walk along the shoreline. I love to walk along the shoreline. The waves crashing on the shore are mesmerizing. The waves crashing on the shore are mesmerizing. We're building sandcastles near the water. We're building sandcastles near the water. Swimming in the ocean is so refreshing. Swimming in the ocean is so refreshing. The seagulls are flying above us. The seagulls are flying above us. The kids are playing in the sand. The kids are playing in the sand. I collect seashells as souvenirs. I collect seashells as souvenirs. The beach is crowded with tourists. The beach is crowded with tourists. The water is crystal clear. The water is crystal clear. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. We're having a beach picnic. We're having a beach picnic. The lifeguard is watching over the swimmers. The lifeguard is watching over the swimmers. Surfing is a popular activity here. Surfing is a popular activity here. The sand is hot beneath my feet. The sand is hot beneath my feet. We're flying kites by the sea. We're flying kites by the sea. The sound of the waves is so soothing. The sound of the waves is so soothing. Let's take a stroll down the beach. Let's take a stroll down the beach. The beach is a perfect place to relax. The beach is a perfect place to relax. I enjoy watching the sunset over the ocean. I enjoy watching the sunset over the ocean. We're playing beach volleyball with friends. We're playing beach volleyball with friends. I'm collecting driftwood for a DIY project. I'm collecting driftwood for a DIY project. The beach is famous for its pristine beauty. The beach is famous for its pristine beauty. The tide is coming in. The tide is coming in. The children are building a sandcastle kingdom. The children are building a sandcastle kingdom. I love to listen to the seashells' whispers. I love to listen to the seashells' whispers. The smell of the salty sea air is invigorating. The smell of the salty sea air is invigorating. The beach is a haven for seagulls. The beach is a haven for seagulls. We're having a bonfire on the beach tonight. The kids are collecting seagull feathers. The kids are collecting seagull feathers. Beachcombing is a relaxing hobby. Beachcombing is a relaxing hobby. The sand between my toes feels amazing. The sand between my toes feels amazing. I enjoy watching the boats on the horizon. I enjoy watching the boats on the horizon. The beach is a great place for a family outing. The beach is a great place for a family outing. The seashells come in various shapes and sizes. The seashells come in various shapes and sizes. The beach is perfect for building sand sculptures. The beach is perfect for building sand sculptures. I'm collecting sea glass for jewelry making. I'm collecting sea glass for jewelry making. The water is warm and inviting. The water is warm and inviting. The beach is a popular destination for sunbathing. The beach is a popular destination for sunbathing. Beach chairs and umbrellas provide shade. Beach chairs and umbrellas provide shade. I enjoy the feeling of the sand between my fingers. I enjoy the feeling of the sand between my fingers. We're exploring tide pools and finding marine life. We're exploring tide pools and finding marine life. The coastline stretches for miles. The coastline stretches for miles. The surfers are riding the waves. The surfers are riding the waves. I love collecting seashells with unique patterns. I love collecting seashells with unique patterns. Beachcombers search for treasures in the sand. Beachcombers search for treasures in the sand. Beachcombers search for treasures in the sand. The beach is a perfect spot for a romantic walk. The beach is a perfect spot for a romantic walk. The children are flying kites with colorful tails. The children are flying kites with colorful tails. The beach is a peaceful escape from city life. The beach is a peaceful escape from city life. I enjoy watching the seagulls dive for fish. I enjoy watching the seagulls dive for fish.